So today I'm back with another video which I'm kind of dreading to do, to be honest, but as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna sort this hot mess out in the background. And to be honest, it actually gives me anxiety even opening my wardrobe. It's that messy. So this is what it currently looks like. I've got a couple of boots at the top, clothes. So this is what it looks like. So I have some Uggs at the top. Then it's like all summer dresses and it's just all in a mess. And oh my god, look at the bottom. Like every time I open this wardrobe, it gives me anxiety. So I've got inspiration from, I don't know if you guys have seen it, on Netflix. It's called The Edit, and they go around organising people's houses, from pantries to wardrobes to rooms, literally to garages, everything they organise. So this is what has inspired me today to sort my wardrobe out. I'm going to get rid of stuff that I don't need, and I'm basically a clothes hoarder. I don't like getting rid of clothes, even if they don't fit me. Like, I'm like, oh, I'll get into them one day. But today, I'm going to be ruthless, guys. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get rid of them all. And because let's face it, I'm going to buy new clothes anyway. I have attachment issues to clothes. But today's the day that is going. That is gone. We're not having that mentality. So when I finish, I've got some dividers, which I thought would be cute to put in the wardrobe. And they can say like dresses, tops, summer wear, etc. And I've also got some black bags to get rid of stuff. And then I'm thinking of doing a Depop. So I'll link it all down below. So if anyone wants to buy anything, or it'll be on my Facebook page. So go and follow them. And anything I do sell, I'll put them on. The rest will go to charity shops. Okay, let's get into the video. Let's stop rambling and procrastinating to, yeah, this hot mess. I am going to go make a cup of tea though, I think, first, because Christ, I'm so nervous. This wardrobe, literally I did it the other week. Well, not the other week, other month, I'd say. I literally felt like I got rid of loads, and I clearly didn't, but we're going to bite the bullet. I'm going to do it. I've semi-finished the wardrobe. Well, it is pretty much finished. I need to just get some more coat hangers to hang some loungewear up. But yeah, I'll turn it around and show you the finished product. I am literally dying. I'm so hot. Can you see how frizzy my hair's gone from doing this bloody wardrobe? Next time, I'll definitely put my hair up because I look like a hot mess. But yeah, I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So this is the bottom part of the wardrobe. I've got my jumpers, my essential jumpers here. This one's a Halloween one, which you'll soon see. Then I've got leggings. I've got one jumpsuit, which I've just put on that hanger because I don't know where to put it. Goes on to jeans, these 3 hangers here. And then these are my dresses. And then I've got, I don't know if you can see. The only thing about these dividers is my top clothes knock them, which I'm not impressed about. But I've got dividers and there's one here, see? And like, I don't know if you can even see it. Here it like knocks off. And dresses. So that's the bottom half of the wardrobe. And then this is the top half. So I've tried to do it in colour order. So going from like darks to light in each section. So these are all my play suits up to here. They didn't have a sticker for play suits, so I had to make my own one. And the same for the shirts. So I've gone from white shirts to like dark shirts. And then I've got one blazer at the top there. And then there's a sign on up here as well to say shirts. Yeah, that's the wardrobe.